Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin recovery. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links have gone out pinned here at the top of the chat. Now, quick announcement, if the stream drops, there's a really weird thunderstorm going on. That's not weird, it's just a loud thunderstorm going on outside. I might get a power outage. I'm not sure, just in advance, in case the stream does drop again. It's probably because of that. So thank you. Calicrop Dog, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for joining me. Let's go see what's happening, man. Ooh, Mocky Cap. All right, getting some recovery. Finally getting that potential double bottom to play in here. And market cap don't look like the double bottom that we were looking at on Bitcoin, right? But, you know, we are getting the same movement coming in. So the divergence that we were looking for, it's still active till yesterday. But right now, we seem to be getting rid of it. So again, we got to wait for confirmation that these divergence no longer in play. That means that today we have to basically close higher than this previous high here. And, you know, I'm just going to make this larger so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Right? This has to close higher than here. If this is the case, then, you know, that double bottom could be coming into play on Bitcoin. And it could be extremely beneficial, as it could start signaling a sort of reversal, at least for the short term. So with that into account, let's go check out Bitcoin. Sorry about that, guys. I'm getting the hiccups. Them mad hiccups. Look at this, right? Bitcoin. Yesterday, finally, we were looking at this as a potential, right? And maybe seeing a struggle. And we did get a struggle, but throughout the day, we managed to rally extremely well. So with that, look at that. Boom, went higher, right? So we got rid of this hidden divergence that we had. That is awesome. We didn't have any bullish divergence here, remember? We didn't have any bullish divergence here, but that double bottom's coming into play. Y'all remember what I said? We need to break this high, right? We've been saying it for the last couple of days since we decided that Bitcoin might be creating a double bottom. We're getting this movement up. We are breaking this resistance, right? Boom, breaking that 21,955. So hopefully today, we close around this area, above that 21,955, and if we do, then we could be looking for a sort of measure move to come in to play, right? And that could be from here to here, you could say, right from that bottom. And if that is the case, we could be looking at around 24,129, right? So we're calling for 25 if we did decided to break to the upside a while back, and that's an area that we were targeting. So again, remember on the weekly, right? On the weekly, we said recovery before we get another drop, right? It doesn't have to happen by this date. Again, we were just drawing the path that we could be taking before we decide to get another leg down. If we are to still get that leg down, just because we're starting to get a recovery does not mean it has to play to the upside, or does not mean that it has to be a good move, right? We have recoveries during downtrends. So it's just a little bit of a chill. Gives us a chance to sell at higher areas of value if we want to. But again, I don't believe we're out of the woods yet. Expansion of the Bollinger Bands, potential to the upside, like we said when we decided that the double bottom was forming, and those tightness of the Bollinger Bands, we said, look, we might potentially expand those to the upside, and it looks as though we're trying to expand to the upside, and that's fine. So right now, I don't think I have anything else here on the daily. 601, 560 still below, and then from back here, we're still clear, so no divergence yet. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're having this bearishness. It did move us down for a couple candles, right? This was the candle we were live, moved down for another candle, then stagnated for one more candle, and then finally started to pop. And that was in the morning, right? But this is the one where the magic happened. This is the one started to break everything, and then right now, on today, getting some of that continuation. So good stuff happening again. We're looking for the divergence. We got the stagnation. Everything's starting to go higher. Is it going higher here as well? It is. So with that, we can say, yo, this is done. And this is no longer in play. And we're just overbought at 74.73. So good. Bitcoin has nothing bearish right now. And again, double bottom coming into play. So good stuff. And then on the 1 hour, let's go check it. We're looking at this as a potential rising wedge of sorts. And we did break the downside a bit, but that 20 managed to hold beautifully. And I got to zoom in. And I believe we created some divergence by the time this happened, right? Look, if you can see these islands here are smaller, right? So this one here, or even this one here, are smaller than here, right? So with that move, we created some hidden bullish. And that hidden bullish divergence comes from here to here, basically, right? And it tells us that we're going to get action to the upside. There, some from here, sorry. So this got invalidated with that hidden divergence, which is holding again extremely well for now, getting us to pop. These divergence again got us to stagnate, right? It was bearish divergence strong. We didn't move down with strength. We were talking about this being weird and how we haven't broken down, but that up sloping wedge, this could be our precursor to that drop. If we were to get one, we're targeting the 20 moving average first, and if we broke the 20, we're going to target 19,660. We didn't. We managed to hold on to that 20, and with this hidden divergence, we managed to actually pop, which again is pretty freaking cool. So again, bullish divergence, action to the upside, starting to get that rally. But for now, on this small move here, we're starting to create some strong bearish divergence, and that could tell us that at least for the short term, we could be looking for a quick break to happen, right? So take a break here, stagnate for a bit before we get our next leg back up, right? So that's just what I'm looking for here in Bitcoin. Maybe some stalling here around 20,135, but we shall see. We shall see how it's going to keep on playing out, right? Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum, come on. Here we go. Alrighty. Ethereum doesn't have that double bottom as well. We talked about it, but we're looking at the 3 final peaks. It did move us down again as expected, but now getting this break to the upside, and finally today, right? Let's hide the Bollinger Bands because they're messing with the chart. But here we go. Look at this, right? Today we're starting to break. So just like market cap, we cannot confirm it until today closes higher that we are breaking whatever it is. The double bottom, which again we don't have a double bottom here in Ethereum. We have it in Bitcoin, and we said Ethereum is going to trail Bitcoin, and that is precisely what it's doing. Right now it's trying to break that $1,261 mark. So it's neutral at 50.18, and let's go here on the 4-hour, man. Look, we had bearish divergence again, stagnated just like Bitcoin, right? And now coming up slightly higher, and I just gotta see which one here is from this one's from the 4-hour. So this is the one from the 1 hour. That's the one I forgot to anchor, and that's gonna tell me is that that's coming up higher here. And guess what's happening here? That strong bearish divergence is still present. We have not managed to mitigate it, right? Look, high to low still, right? So bearish divergence. Hey, Cartha, go. What's up, my friend? Thank you for being here, Cartha, go. Alrighty, so whatever divergence we have here didn't come into play, and now we're going higher, so it's all good. Overbought at 72.97, and on the 1 hour chart, let's go check there. On the 1 hour, we had that bearish divergence again, stagnated, moved down a bit. We didn't quite come to 1,153. I think that's what I was targeting for a 20 moving average. We got close to 20, we didn't quite hit it. But Bitcoin rallying just basically got the market to go back up with it. And what I'm looking at here, I just got to zoom in. Make sure this is clear. Yeah, we went slightly higher, and that's fine. But I think on this move here, we're going to have some bearish divergence strong. It's just going to put pressure on the price. And here we're getting that same Bitcoin move. I think that hidden divergence that came into play. Again, here's that hidden divergence, and here's the strong bearish that we're looking for. And we're getting the strong bearish at our resistance zone at 1,261, and that's where we're rejecting, right? So we need to get above that target. If anything, it would drop. Could be looking for that 20. Maybe look for another bounce. Maybe create some more hidden divergence, right? And pop and get above that 1,259. That's going to be good. It's all good in this on balance of probability, another bear market rally. Yeah. So neutral at bought at 68.65, and then Andrew came in here and said HBB. What the hell's an HBB, and where do I find that? Huckleberry coin. Here we go. It's an Hobby exchange. Alrighty. Let's get this rolling. Man, it is a Thursday. Oh, man. More money. That's the quickest way to get a hammer. That's the quickest way to get a hammer. By the power of Thor, you shall be no more. Kidding, I don't give hammers. The mods give hammers. I'm not sure we have mods live tonight. We might not have mods live tonight. All right, bullish potential direction upside. All right, so we got it. Starting to go for that 20 rejection around there, man. Nothing too crazy going on. If we fib this, it's not going to do us any good. We're below the previous lows. We're basically not making any good recovery so far. So fibs are not going to do any good here again. Got to get above that 20, right? If you get above that 20, you're going to be looking at resistance around here. 38 cents. Right now sitting at 28. So 10 cents. Not bad. It's not a bad target for this rally. 10 cents, right? Let's go here. That's a pretty good rally, man, considering where it's at. High to low. High to low. I mean, this starting to go a bit wonky, but there's some hidden divergence here, man. That's going to put pressure on the price. We're starting to see it manifest and move the price down. Hidden bearish potential for action to a downside, maybe sideways motion. And we're getting the sideways motion of the ocean. Give a look at dusk. Sure, why not? Neutral 58. Goals 35. All right. Yeah, it's in the targets, right? I think we said it. Looking at 38. So yeah, I think it could get there. Andrew, given time right now, this hidden divergence zone is what's putting pressure and making it really hard for this to be looking good. But here on the major move here, oh, damn, why is it not working? There we go. On this major move, we're having this divergence, right? This strong bullish. And that's what's getting us to pop again. If Bitcoin keeps rallying, there's no reason why this shouldn't be going higher. Market's starting to feel a little bit better, at least relieving some pressure from downwards movements with what's happening today with the bullish, with the small rally that we're getting on the double bottom of Bitcoin that we've been calling out for a couple days. Here again, bullish divergence. Potential for action to the upside, starting that rally coming in, targeting the 20 moving average at 28.86 cents. Not a bad move. Not a bad move at all. Do we have it here as well? Yeah, look at it here also. Bullish, right? Potential for action to upside. Yeah, burger popped a lot. Had things on my phone coming up saying burger up. I'm not sure how much. I was like, wow, that's pretty crazy. How much did it pop, dude? I had notifications for burger coming in. Let's see. Do I have it here? I think I might have deleted those notifications, but no, burger up 88%, but that was on the 6th. So that was yesterday. Yesterday I got that burger notification that was up 88%. Not sure how much it went up, so we'll see. You sold 2.80. Nice, dude. Congrats. Keep profits. That's the way the game goes. All right, that's it for HBB, I guess. Right, bullish divergence hidden. Might be looking for that movement up to a 20. Right on. Matic, no. Dusk. From dusk till dawn. All right, let's go here, man. 12.70. All right, I can roll with this. Hell. Forgot to. Oh, shit. That's not good. I can't remember which. I mixed some stuff up here on my desk when I was cleaning pre-stream. I think it looks the same. Yeah. Shit. I mixed some stuff up here that I shouldn't have. It's gonna take me a while for me to determine what was what. All right, let's keep rolling here, man. Dusk. All right, more negative momentum on this last move. We're dropping more. I mean, this one's hard to judge, bro. This is slightly coming in lower, more negative momentum and lower, so I'm not going to give it anything here in the daily. What I'm going to do is zoom out quite a bit more. I want to see if we're at all-time lows, and we're not, but we have dropped quite a bit. Now, if we fib from anywhere back here, right, to up here somewhere, so I'm targeting some zone here. I'm not going to pinpoint it. It's going to make no difference if we pinpoint that or not. What I want to pinpoint a little bit better, though, is that top, because this one is easier to determine and see. Back there is just noise. So we're below that 786, right? On the larger move, we're kind of fried. And then here, all right, we're probably holding on some support around this here zone, right? We seem to have bounced here a couple of times. Again, I'm not pinpointing it by any means. I'm just looking at it really, really quick. I just want to get an idea as to where we could have gone. So this one's slightly higher, then this one's right spot on, and this one's slightly lower. So we could say that average. It's right there, right around 9.99, sorry, 9.91 cents. And you can see that we come down to that level a couple times here lately, right? We have almost hit it once here on this wick. And we've just been bouncing around that zone, so that's fine. All right, some support. Not bad. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Here, bro, this is just, all this is just sideways noise, right? You can enclose this in a box, and the mean would probably be the average of the middle of that box. And again, sometimes I do this to get ideas to where the moves are, but you know, if we go here, you can see that most of the moves are within that box. There's very few of them that are moving outside. That just tells how we're consolidating. Really not a lot happening there, man. High to low. High to low, and this is high to low as well. So here, nothing. All right. Bearish divergence, strong potential for action down, so we might get some movement down. Again, if Bitcoin keeps on pumping, it's not going to matter, but I think Bitcoin also had this divergence. This is when I look at things and I say, oh, why did I forget the anchor? Nothing here that is bearish. Not really seeing anything here on the 1 hour that is bullish or bearish for this, bro. All right, so you've impulsed up, you're consolidating, you can get another impulse up. All right, so in all fairness, balloony, you could keep on pumping, right? Everybody balloony. Balloony. Let's go and check out bringing facts into his hills. And he is bringing the facts to people. Telling the people, yo, I bring facts. And you shall be fact checked. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. Let's go check out ADA. All right, bullish divergence in the rally. That's fine. There's really nothing weird going on here. Maybe some hidden divergence that might start to develop. I just want to wait a little bit more. Yeah, I'm going to wait a little bit more for that, to call that hidden divergence. But neutral at 49.95. Let's go here in the 4 hour, man. All right, coming up higher and higher still. Bought at 69.26. Let's go to the 1 hour. Had that divergence, putting pressure on the price, moved sideways, right? Look at how much higher this was. Still managed to close slightly higher, hit that divergence, came down, hit that 20 bounce. Fairly okay move, and some bearish divergence here, man. It's gonna be weak bearish, but it's still going to play. Is it strong? It's strong bearish. I thought it was weak there for a second, but no. Strong bearish. Potential correction and downside. And the market could be looking for a movement down, man. Right, could be looking for a movement down. I'm trying to look and see if there's anything else that's worth checking out real quick. I mean, wasn't it Burger the one that pumped like crazy today? Yesterday. Yeah, look at this. This went insane. Yesterday it had pumped like 80+%. I got an alert. Today pumped quite a bit more, man. That's insane. So from low to the high, it pumped around 114, bro. That's crazy. And then from here to here, pumped another 87%. That is freaking nuts. Still managed to close at 31% gains, but that's 31% over 63%. So 100+% gains in total. That's freaking nuts.
Crossed fingers. Adam and Eve on BTC Daily.
Yeah, dude, we've been calling for this double bottom for a while. Yeah, and it does look like an Adam and Eve, right? I hadn't called which one it was, but I was looking for the double bottom, really. Right now, I'm just looking for a measure move ahead that will get us around 24K, 24,100. If we were to go for that move, I would have loved, and we've been calling this one since we were down here. I said, look, if we get it with bullish divergence, it's gonna be nice. So I've been talking about this double bottom since July the 1st, I think. Good eye. Good eye, man. Yes, we've been looking at this one. We've been actually just waiting for it to break the neckline. And it did yesterday. Now we just need to get confirmation that we're going to be out there. And then, you know, we could be looking for that recovery, which is going to be really, really good. Now, if this pumps, it's going to reset the oscillator. You're going to reset the, not that one, this one here. The fear and greed, right? The FUD and HUD here at 20. Hey, Jeff Loomis, how's it going, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. Again, guys, if the stream drops is because there's a thunderstorm outside. I'm just praying electricity doesn't go out. Have a project running right now. For the weekend, dump, I suspect. Wow, video, what's up, dude? Maybe, man, I'm not ruling it out. I so wish I could be having a beer right now, but I forgot to buy beer. It's a simple explanation. I forgot to buy beer, man. I just wish I would bring a beer. Tomorrow we're going to be doing beers, crypto and beers. That's going to be Friday's title forever and ever now. It's just going to be crypto and beer for Friday. It's like the segment of the week where we do crypto and yeah. Right, so watching Bitcoin trying to rally. Yay! I can hear the thunder. I'm not sure you guys can hear the thunder, but I can hear the thunder from an under. Yeah, thunder. Feel the thunder, right? Yeah. So what else do you guys want to look at? Let me know. I'm just waiting, man. Waiting for y'all to come in and be like, "Yo, Martin, look at this. Look at that. This is pumping. That's going there." To be honest, guys, I don't have a lot of time to just go out throughout the day and look at the markets. I'm super busy throughout the day. Pump on the 22nd. We shall see. We shall see. Let's look at Shiv. Is Shiv doing anything? Yeah, Shiv's pumping a bit. Shiv rallied 7%. Oh my goodness. Alright, it kind of sucks. I already withdrew my money from Poloniex to buy a printer. Who knew? Who knew that this was going to pump? Yeah, same stuff going on, right? Let's see what else, guys. Yeah. Crazy. It's I guess there's another request coming in. All right, let's go look at what's happening with the friggin' rest of crypto, man. Who knows what the hell this product is? Rally. It rallied 40+%. Oh, not bad. Lido Gao. All right. Seller 9%. We've looked at this one before. Harmony 8%. Ooh. All right. All right. So Harmony is one that we could look at. Let's go here in top 100. It's top hundos. All right, we're gonna look at Aave. We're gonna go look at Aave, I guess, and Phantom. Aave and Phantom. That's it. This is what you got, Aave. It's yeah, it should be in the double A's, right? Yeah, here we go. Aave at pumping right now, 3%. All right, yesterday 13% and now another 3%. That's not bad, actually. No double bottom, bullish divergence coming in, just like the rest of crypto, right? Everyone else had this bullish divergence around this area. So that's all good so far. I mean, not seeing anything out of the ordinary. Out of the ordinary. Alrighty, here we go. Bullish. Action to the upside. Starting to get the rally. Rejection over the 20. Felt to drop lower than the previous low. Thus, continuation. No double bottom pattern coming in here. High to low. Possible. Positive and high to low as well. Yep. Nothing bearish yet. Neutral 55.05. Let's go to that 4-hour chart and see what's happening. On the 4-hour, we're getting a rally. Going higher and higher still. So here, nothing bearish. From back here, we could be saying that there's some bearishness developing. And it's going to be hidden bearish, but I'm not going to put a lot of weight on this one yet. It's such a large move. And in fairness, looks like he just wants to keep on rallying. So, man, overbought at 80.46. Going up higher, coming in lower, and lower here as well, right? So... bam, right, there we go. So, bearish divergence strong. That should be signifying action to downside. And this is common to see, right? We have our impulse up, we flag a little bit, then we pump again, and now we're gonna get maybe another flag. Maybe we get a third pump before we actually start to break down. But you know, that's at least what I should be expecting to see here in Ave. Not looking bad. And then we said FTM, right? 4 dimes. USD, here we go. FTM USD 28.96. Oh, look, the same stuff that we saw on the other coin developing here. It's just that crazy divergence that's coming in and creating this here, man. Look at that. Bullish divergence. Oh, damn. Look at this. Boom. Oh, no. Where's that? Here we go. Starting to get that action upside. Not a lot of strength here. 5%, another 5% today. Not bad, right? I'll take a 5% any day. Neutral at 52.13. Let's go to the 4-hour. Higher and then coming in lower here, right? So coming in higher. We can say it's sideways here. And I'm just going to check 0030, 0028. Slightly lower. Bearish divergence strong. Potential for action downside. We could be getting some action down here. Overbought at 72.63. If we do drop again, we could flag a little bit, maybe try to get another move coming in here. 1-hour chart, we're probably seeing something, yeah, like that, right? So, yeah. 75, 76, so going slightly higher. And here we're also going slightly higher, so nothing bearish, man, right? Nothing bearish. Right, turn the birds around, love it when the bulls are running. All right, and he's singing. He must be happy. We can 2%. 1 point. Sorry, where are we up right now? 1 point something. The daily. $1.6 to 1. All right. Again, right? Bitcoin could come down to 21,240. Chill a bit. This is the other chart. Let's go to the one we usually look at, which is this one. The one we've been looking at. We're at that support at 21,955. Like we said we could, right? Because of the bearish divergence. Oh my goodness, you guys are wizards. We're hitting support. So if we do hold support, we could bounce. If we break it, we might be targeting again that neckline here at 21,523. And if we break there, 21,394. And that is why it's important for us to know where that neckline is, where we could be targeting moving up, and where we should be looking for a support or something on a movement down, right? So again, we're not out of the woods, but things are looking a little bit better. At least yesterday, they were looking a little bit better. We shall see today if we manage to keep that strength coming in, if the bears are going to be baiting us to try and take our money, right? Right on. So again, guys, if you enjoyed the content, thank you very much, dude. Bro, I just noticed that you donated, and I forgot to do the, like, the. There we go. Thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated. Completely slipped my mind. I was just so on the TA and getting back to Bitcoin. But yeah, dude, you're all right. You're all right. We got that. And what else? I think that's going to get streamed for tonight. We've been live for about half an hour. Again, I'm not trying to keep them to any amount of time. Just depending on how much stuff is being requested. If there's a lot of things coming on the chat or a lot of chatter going on, then yes, it's more engaging. We can keep on talking. But if like the chat, there's no requests or anything like that, then probably the stream is gonna be shorter. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord. The links have gone out. Remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. And on that note, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then. Uh-oh. What? I was about to sign off, and then this popped in. Yo. It was a legendary. I'm going to have to replay it because, we didn't get to hear it. There we go.
Legendary.
Alrighty, dude. Thank you very much for that, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Room Facts. Much appreciated, my friend. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for the kind donations that you gave tonight to the stream. I came back. Respect when respect's due. Thank you very much for the kind donation. I appreciate it. And on that note, I'll catch you guys again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.